So here is a program that we need to write. We'll have to check an year entered by user is leap year or not. So a leap year is an year is a leap year if it is either a multiple of 400 or it is a multiple of 4 and not a multiple of 100. For example, the year 2000 as it is multiple of 400, it is a leap year. The year 1900, it is not a multiple of 400, but it is a multiple of 4 and is also a multiple of 100. So it is neither a multiple of 400 nor it satisfies this condition, the second condition. It is a multiple of 4, but it is also a multiple of 100. So the year 1900 is not a leap year. Similarly, the year 1700 and 1800 are not leap years because they are neither multiple of 400, but they are multiple of 4 and are also multiple of 100. So an year to be leap year, either it should be a multiple of 400 or it should be a multiple of 4 and not a multiple of 100. So that is what we need to implement through our code. So first of all, we would prompt the user to enter an year. For that, we would write printf statement, enter an year, and we would get the value in a variable, say year. You use scanf function to collect the value. Is an integer, so we would write %d as the first parameter and then address of the variable in which we want to get the value. So we have collected the value from the user. Now we'll have to check whether the value of this variable satisfies either of these two conditions or not. So for that, we would be using if statement, and we would be using some logical operators as well. So here we need to write if statement, and within that we'll have to provide these conditions. So first condition is it should be either a multiple of 400, so that we can check by using mod operator. As you know that mod operator returns remainder of division. So if we mod the value of year with 400, if it returns a 0, that means it is a multiple of 400. So that we need to check. Here year mod 400, if it is 0, then it is satisfies the first condition, the condition A. Now if it is not a multiple of 400, then we need to check whether it is a multiple of 4 and not a multiple of 100. So let us take the first condition in bracket and the second also within a bracket. So we need to check whether it is multiple of 4 or not. So for that, what we can do is, as we have done with 400, we can do the same thing for 4. So here mod 4, if it returns a 0, that means it is a multiple of 4. And another condition that we need to check, that it should not be a multiple of 100. So it is a multiple of 4, it is a multiple of 4 that we have checked with this. Now we'll have to check, and it should not be multiple of 100. So for that we would be using logical AND, that is ampersand ampersand, and year modulo 100 should not be equals to 0. That means we want to check whether the year is not a multiple of 100. That is what we need to check. So here if you see, we have used or relational operator, or logical operator, and here we have used ampersand, that is and logical operator. So this is because the year value should either be satisfying this condition or be satisfying this condition. That's why we have used logical OR. And in the second condition, here we have and. That means it should satisfy both of these conditions, right? That's why we have used logical AND. If either of these two conditions are satisfied, then we can say that the year is a leap year. So we would be writing here on the console the year, say %d. We want to replace this %d by the value of the year entered by user is a leap year. And as a second parameter of printf, we would be passing in the variable year. So this %t would get replaced by the value of year variable. Now in the else part, so if these conditions are not satisfied, then we need to print that this is not a leap year. Is not a leap year. At the end we would finish with get. Now let us build it and run it. So build is successful. Now we can run it. Let us check 2016. So this is a leap year. The year 2016 is a leap year. It is coming out to be correct because it is a multiple. It is not a multiple of 400, but it is a multiple of 4 and not a multiple of 100. So it satisfies the condition B, and that's why it is a leap year. Now run it for the year 2000. So the year 2000 is a multiple of 400. That's why year 2000 is a leap year. So it is coming out to be correct. Now let us check one more condition, one more case, that is 1900. 1900, as you see, is not a leap year because 1900 is not a multiple of 4, but it is a multiple of not a multiple of 400, but it is a multiple of 4, but also is a multiple of 100. So none of these two conditions are satisfied. That's why it is not a leap year, and our program is displaying the correct answer. It's not a multiple, is not a leap year. So with that, we are done with our program for checking leap year. More programs to come. Thank you.